Hello and welcome to the healings. Today I'm going to do a healing session to heal the Mother Earth. Join me and experience this incredible energy flow. So let's start the session. Sit back with your spine straight and eyes closed, focusing on your third eye. Imagining a earth spinning around itself. A pure white light coming from the cosmos and falling on the earth, surrounding the globe completely. Hey Mother Earth, thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Thank you for everything. Imagine that all the negativity on and in the earth is sucked by this pure white light surrounding the earth, and a negativity ball is formed outside the earth. Now throw this negativity ball far away in the cosmos, in the cosmic fire, where it will be burnt completely. And now our Mother Earth is free from all the negativity. Mother Earth is pure again. Every being on this Mother Earth, planet Earth, is pure in body, mind, and soul. Here our session completes. Thank you for joining me in this session. See you next time.